Hello folks, it's Rich here. This is the PRS SE McCarty in faded blue with its lovely brassy bits on it and its vintagey style tuner pegs and its short scale length of 24.594 inches. And I've just restrung it with some 9s, which I've stretched out a little bit, but they're not perfect. I just wanted to share with you some tones because it's got several. It's got 3-way switch and 2 pushy pulls here. I've been impressed with the amount of different sounds you can get out of it. A couple of caveats: I'm a crap guitarist, so it's not about the playing, it's just to get an idea of what it sounds like just through an iPhone from the speaker here, which is a Blackstar ID Core 100. I've got a little bit of analog delay on that, and to keep it simple, I've got my Behringer Tube Overdrive, or the green one, the Tube Screamer clone. But yeah, this guitar has impressed me so far with the different sounds. it. I just put on the Behringer Centaur as well at the same time. Not tuned now. Yes, so obviously that's with some overdrive stuff. On cleans, it sounds really nice as well. The sustain is quite something. This is one of the most sustainy guitars I've had. It's amazing. Anyway, yeah, that's it. So, well worth a bash. Well worth a bash. Yeah, I really like it. Do I like it though more than my Harley Benton, which is a crazy thing to say, isn't it? Because this is much more of a guitar than that in theory. But yeah, I don't know. I thought my Harley Benton SE Custom, which Sarah bought for me 2.5 years ago, nearly 3 years ago. Now, yeah, nearly 3 years ago. I was never really into it for a long time, but now I am. Anyway, I'm waffling. That's it. Bye.